I'm recording.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah. You want to be host or do you want me to be host?
I think I can be because I got a
Okay.
better internet. Yeah, I should be. Let's try first. If you playable, if
Yeah.
unplayable, tell me. I will switch the host.
Okay. Oh. Okay, there's some delay.
Got any lag right
Is it
now?
okay for you? No lag for me. Maybe.
I am host, so that's no problem for me.
Okay. No problem for me. Maybe a very small input delay. Ah, scheiße. Stop block. Stop parrying. Stop parrying. Stop parrying. Scheiße. Wait, let me change my beats.
No rush. Take your time.
Gotta look good while being beaten up. Where is it? Huh? That's weird. Never mind. Okay. Oh, that's weird. No, that's weird. That should have been what?
Hold up.
Alaiwa? Huh?
Damn.
Alaiwa? Ay, scheiße. Ah, Alai. Scheiße. Nah.
Damn.
อะไรเนี่ย
The resilience is still level 1, so oh fuck. I can't like multitasking. I can't play and talk to at the same time.
Scheiße.
Like
Too late.
I wanna have fun, like play and talk, but if I talk and play together, my performance gonna be dropped into the free level.
Oi, so close. ทำอะไร อะไรวะ
Damn.
Stop mashing, bro.
Oh damn.
Ay, scheiße.
Have you found like have you found it bullet hit before? Like
Yeah.
in the trials?
Yeah.
Who's win?
Equal, I think. Maybe he's a bit better. I don't have much experience against Khalt.
Damn. Damn fuck.
Not fair, not fair. Alaiwa. Alaiwa.
Huh? Oh, oh shit! Look at my HP bar.
Yay, yay!
Yeah. Damn. You need to be patient though.
Ay. Ay, scheiße.
Damn. Oh.
Nice. You have to post this on YouTube, bro. You haven't posted the other fight yet. From like last week. Ay, ay, ay.
Like how old are you by the way? I forgot. Like
Sheep cow.
Oh, I see.
Chai.
Oh,
Nice. By the way, do you like my fashion?
nice one, but I think about the hoods and the shirt. Shirt is like chulli, but the hood is make it not like chulli.
I see. Look like Red Riding Hood.
Not at last. Got a mess. Ouch.
ตายแล้ว frame advantage.
Oh no.
Aye! No hit stun.
Yes. Level 1 resilient.
Huh? That one should have.
Damn! Nice one.
Nice. Ui. ตายแล้ว Ay, ay, ay.
Like I'm still confused. Like you are in Thailand. Like now, like how many years you live in this country?
I'm born in Thailand.
But you can't talk Thai. Damn.
พูดไทยนิดหน่อย and just enough for travel and buying food, but
Oh.
not enough to like make full conversation.
It doesn't have you study.
No, I went to school with many Filipino students.
See.
Basically a homeschool.
Oh.
Yeah, and yeah. Like, I think I was in Thai school before when I was like, I don't know, I can't remember. Or very young. But like on grade 1, grade 2,
Oh,
I go to international school, Trinity International School.
yeah, but
And then grade 3, I did a different program with lots of Filipino students.
but nice for you.
I
Damn. Oh.
man.
Oh damn.
What? Khalt is so confusing sometimes, man.
Oh shit.
Close, close.
Damn, 2 points.
Ui. Ui. Ai, ai, ai. Tài leo.
Damn.
Ai. Ah. Dang, man.
I'm 20s, by the way. I think my age.
Ah.
Yes,
Very
same
nice.
as you. Yes, like.
Ai. Ui.
Damn. No, not this time.
So rude. Ai.
I think like Bolo he's kind of good when like if he see you going to use a high speed kick, he gonna mash.
Yeah.
And
He always mash.
yes, and he really good at it. Like
Ai, ai, ai. I swear my Khalt should really be absorbing. Maybe it's because of the... No, it can't be input. It cannot be the lag. Cannot.
I think your timing is kind of too fast.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Still bad.
Damn.
Ai, ai, ai. Huh?
It's
I'm
level
like,
1
what?
resilience.
I like what?
Yes, it's you absorb my back fist, right? And
Yeah.
you gonna counter me with your
Cleaver.
yeah, your cleaver and
Not enough
mine.
frame advantage.
Yes, you slower than my flying knee. Yes.
Ui, เก่งมาก ตายแล้ว
Wait, who teach you about those wonder?
I don't know. That's like the only thing I know. Because I hear it so often. I don't even know what Tyrell means. Huh? Huh?
We both got resilient. We both got resilient. So what has happened?
Uy. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, caramba. Ay, caramba. ตายแล้ว
Oh. I think you spam absorb too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, you still have like max stamina. The block
Yeah.
is the more safer option to you to do.
Yeah. Hanger gave me masterclass, but I'm still like learning to do it.
Damn. can give you like 3 more match. So I'm gonna do my business and
Okay.
yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
Damn.
ได้แล้ว
Oh, I almost got hit by that 20 frame though.
It's only because of the lag.
But you got the links like right in that high spin
What?
kick. In that high spin kick, you
Sorry.
got a golden link, right?
Yeah, I think it was golden link. Yeah, it was
Yes,
golden link.
but yes, it's almost got me though.
Yeah. I no respect for the spinning high kick. Aye, no shards. Damn.
Damn. Damn. Damn.
What? How did that one hit? That one was hit way earlier. What? Your hit should have skipped that.
Oh.
Huh? อะไรวะ ไอ้ ไปแล้ว Oh no! I fumbled.
Yes, I think your deck is still have a mistake.
Yeah, it's not as good, but the deck I was using that Hanger made for his Forsaken build isn't good for my playstyle. This one is better for me than that deck.
It's what the clever ball after absorb it doesn't always save. That's the guarantee.
Yeah. Ui.
See, the flute doesn't save too. Damn. Up. Bye. Come on. Why? Yeah, by the way, like in your status of the equipment, what's the
Yeah.
ability you have right now? The number of your mobility.
Shockwave.
No, I mean
Shockwave.
in equipment.
Yeah.
On your stats, it's gonna have mobilities if you can see.
22 normal.
22 normal. That's a
Chai.
good one, but the base you can get is 24 fast. It's gonna make your like tap block goes more recovery quicker.
Yeah.
Yes. My old version I use like 18 normal. So my
Yeah.
tempo is kind of fucking slow. The difference is
Oh, wait.
doesn't that matter?
The speed affects your block?
Yes. I mean like
No way.
when you block, right? When you block, do you know how to tap block, right?
Yeah, yeah, I learned.
Yes.
I'm actually doing it
Yeah.
with you.
That makes you as soon as you can legend, right? Yeah. This number gonna affect that, like, legend faster.
What? No
Yes.
way. Okay, let's go. I know. I timing.
Oh.
What? My combo didn't work. Bruh. When you press the button Q, but the button Q doesn't work. I hate it. It's
Using
like the
the
button Q fucks you over sometimes, and it's
oh.
bit of forb on my sheet.
Damn. Oh. Damn. Damn. It's sword. Like exhaust is like almost like absorb, but
Yeah. It's like a free absorb.
yes.
Ah!
Oh.
I misinput. The slap. Ah!
One last match.
Yeah, sure.
I will
And
upload
then you have to go.
if you wanna upload on your YouTube. Do you want it? If you want,
You can. Okay, you can send me the file.
yeah, I will. Oh, maybe like I can upload into my YouTube then.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn.
Oh, not safe. Not safe. Oh, shit.
Damn. Damn. Maybe you can get this round.
Maybe. Ai! Tại đâu? Ai, scheiße!
Ooh. No.
Bruh, I messed that up so bad.
Clippable is not that safe, so like I said, the flame data is so slow for Khalt. Oh damn. Bad.
Ui. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, I tried to do unlock. Oi, that had reach.
Come on, man, you're out.
I was going to absorb, but I mash.
Yeah, GG's, man.
GG.
Yes, it's almost 1 AM. I'm gonna